Kick a verse for my man called Miles, cause seems to me he's gonna be around for a long while. Cause he's a multi-talented and gifted musician who can play any position. It's no mystery that you're no risk to me, cause I'm the lover until your girl to throw a kiss to me and hop in bed and have a fight with a pillow. Turn off the lights and let the J give it to you, and let the trumpet blow as I kick this. Cause rapping is fundamental and Miles sounds so wicked. A little taste of the bebop sound with the backdrop of doo-hop, and this is why we call it the doo-bop, the doo-bop.
Just kicking that doo-bop sound, just kicking that doo-bop sound. Just kicking that doo-bop sound, just kicking that doo-bop sound. Just kicking that doo-bop sound, just kicking that doo-bop sound. Just kicking that doo-bop sound, just kicking that doo-bop sound. With Miles Davis. Just kicking it.
Now go ahead and play like a wannabe. You know it's gonna be hate to cut the throats of MCs up in front of me. When a mouth blow make the A wanna sing around, be shining on brothers like they flipping on they high beams. And when I just come through, you think you bad, but somebody seen you. Climbing a tree like Jack B. Nimble, yo, Miles blow the trumpet off of A&M.
Miles Davis' style is different, you can describe it as specific. He rip, rage, and brawl, no time for watching Andy Griffith. You can, all you want. Go ahead. While he take the doo-hop and mix it with bebop, just like a maker in the shoe shop. Easy Moby will cream you like the nougat. And usually we do our but since Miles wanna cool out, you can do that, Miles. Blow your trumpet, show the people this one is the doo-bop.
Just kicking that doo-bop sound, just kicking that doo-bop sound.
This one is the doo-bop.
Just kicking